the how to raise the fractions, how to reduce the fractions, but now we add and subtract the fractions. Firstly, there are some important points which I firstly discuss with you. Then I will do some examples. Then you can better understand this, how you can add and subtract. If you can add and subtract, if the denominators are same and these are in the like fractions, these fractions are called like fractions. But if denominators are not same, if they are not same, they are called find common denominator. Firstly, we will find the common denominator and then raise one or both fractions. How to raise the fractions? Firstly, I discuss. If you want to know about how to raise the fractions, you can see my last video, in which I show you how you can reduce or raise the fraction. Always reduce answer when answer is coming. Always then you should to reduce the answer in the lowest term and change into mixed number. How can you convert into mixed number? You can also want to see my last video, and you can see the link of that video in the description. Now addition and subtraction. Example number 1. 3 add 3 by 10 plus 5 by 10. 3 by 10 plus 5 by 10. You know that there is a 10. There is a 10. These are the same denominator. They are called the like fractions. So you can directly add or subtract them. There is a plus sign. Add 5 plus 3, 8 by 10. Okay. Now, in that point, always reduce the answer in the lowest form. Then 8 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. We divide the same number to the numerator and the denominator. There is 4 over 5. Next, example number 2. Subtract 2 by 9 from 7 over 9. Okay, this adds you from 7 over 9. 7 over 9 is a higher value. Minus 2 over 9. Now, there is the same denominators, 9, 9. So, you can directly subtract them. 7 minus 2. When you subtract 2 from 7, 5. 5 over 9. When we subtract, there is already a lowest term in our answer. So, I think you completely understand how you can add and subtract in the like fractions or when the denominators are same. It's very easy. Then you can directly add or subtract them. But denominators will not be add or subtract. They will be same as in the question and in the answer. But nominator will be add or subtract. Example number 3. 5 over 6 plus 1 over 4. Now, you can see that there is a different denominators. There is a 6, there is a 4. If the denominators are not same, firstly, we will find the common denominators and raise one or both fractions. Okay. Now, how you can find the common denominators? It's very interesting. Firstly, you see the multiples of them to check the common denominators. Firstly, make multiples and list of multiples, such as 1 multiply 2 6, 4. 1 multiplied by 6, 6. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. 2 multiply. 6 2 multiples of 12. 4 2 multiples of 8. 3 multiples. 6 multiples of 18. 4 multiples of 12. Aha! We find the same common denominators. We find the same common denominators. When we multiply 6 with the 2, then we get 12. When we multiply 4 with the 3, then we get 12. Now, I say you earlier, when we multiply with that number of the denominator, then we multiply with the same number to the denominator. So 2, there will be 3, 3 by 3. Now 5 to the 10, 6 to the 12, plus 3, 4 3s are 12. Aha! We find the same denominators. We find the same denominators. Now you can add and subtract directly. 10 plus 3, 13 over 12. 13 over 12. Now, you want to reduce the answer lowest term and change into mixed number. How we can change into them their mixed number? Firstly, I tell you earlier, 13, 12, 12 ones are 12. Their denominator, there is the remainder is 1. So answer 1, 1 by 12. How you can put it in the mixed number? How you can write the mixed number? How you can draw the improper fractions from the mixed number? You can see my video which I show you, link in the description. Subtract 4, 1 over 16 is minus 3 over 8. There is a, you know that there is a mixed number or mixed fraction. Firstly, I tell you earlier, 4 1 over 16 minus 1 3 by 8. We will multiply and then add. Again we will multiply and then add. I got 16 by multiply by 4, 64, and then 1. It will be 65 over 16 minus 11 over 8. Okay, now again there is a unlike fractions. Denominators are not same. So what we do? Firstly, we will make the multiples of these two denominators. How? 1 multiply when we multiply with 8, 16. When we multiply by 2 multiply, 8 2s are 16. Now we will stop there. 16, 16. So we will not change them. We will not change this denominator because we want to see this denominator to that denominator. 65 over 16 minus 11 by 8 multiply by 8 twos are 16. So we multiply with the 2 this denominator. As I say you earlier, with that number I multiply with the denominator and will multiply with the numerator. So 65 over 16 minus 22 by 16. 22 by 16. Now I wipe it, then you will not be confused for the next question. 65 by 16 minus 22 by 16. We subtract 65 from 22. Then my answer will be 43 after subtraction from 22 to 65. 43. Now we will convert. How we will convert 43 into over 16 into mixed number? 43, 16. 16 multiply with 2. 6 2s are 12. 2 1s are 2 plus 3, 32. 16 multiply by 3, 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 48. So we multiply with 2, 32. And their remainder will be 11. So my answer is 11 over 16. Multiplication and division. This is totally different from addition and subtraction. Firstly, they are showing example number 5 and example number 6. Firstly, I tell you when it's demand example number 5 just as what is the product of 7 over 8 and 1 by 2. Product means multiplication. Now 7 over 8 and 1 over 2 means multiply. In the addition and subtraction, we don't change the denominators in addition or subtraction. And we will same. Firstly, we same them the denominators and then we add subtract the denominators. But there is totally different procedure. It's very easy multiplication in the fractions. We directly multiply. We don't want to change the denominators. If denominators are different or denominators are common or denominators are same. 7 multiplied by 7, 7. 8 2s are 16. Now 7 over 16 is my answer. But I will not change them in the mixed number. Why? This is my final answer because it's not an improper fraction. We can only change improper fractions to mixed fractions or mixed number. And mixed number can do improper fraction because it's a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. So my final answer is 7 over 16. Now example number 6. What is 1 by 3 of 3, 3 by 4? Now, firstly, there is a fraction, but there is a mixed fraction. So, firstly, we will change 3, 3 by 4 into fraction. Firstly, I told you earlier, multiply and then add. 4 3s are 12 and then add 3, 13, 14, 15, 15 by 4. Now, they said that what is 1 by 3 of 3 by 4. So, 15 over 4 multiply 1 over 3. Of means shows the multiplication. So 15 multiplied with 1, 15. 4 3s are 12. But this is not my final answer, because there is no denominator is less than denominator, so it can convert into mixed fractions. How I can convert them? 15, 12, 12 ones are 12, remainder is 3. Final answer 1, remainder as numerator, and denominator will be same as in the question. So my final answer is 1 3 by 12. I hope you completely understand the multiplication process. Multiply 1 by 2 by 1 by 5. 1 by 2 by 1 by 7. Multiply 1 by 5. 2 1 are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 5 1 are 5 plus 6 by 5. Now we can simply multiply, but we can say 2 3s are 6. Now my final answer is 3 3s are 9 by 5. And in the mixed number, 9, 5 1 are 5, remainder is 4, 1 4 over 5. Division. Now example number 8. Jim has 8 pounds of nuts. He wants to fill smaller 1 over 2 pound bags using the nuts. How many bags can he make? So if you want how we can solve the statement, either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, then you see my video, which I show my video link in the description. Jim has 8 pounds. He wants to fill smaller 1 over 2 pound using the nuts. How many bags can he make? This means division. Divide 1 by 2. Firstly, in the fractions, how you can divide? There is 8, means 8 over 1, divide 1 over 2. Firstly, we will want to understand the reciprocal. Reciprocal is a fancy method term. It's a fancy method term in which if there is a division, after the division the digit will be converted into 2 over 1. Some students make mistake, 8 over 1 also convert into 1 over 8, but it is not correct. We do only make the reciprocal of after the division digits, after the division fractions. So 8 over 1 multiply with the reciprocal of 2 over 1, and my final answer is 16 by 1. So can I write it 16? Yes. So my final answer is 16. Division is also very easy. It's not difficult like addition and subtraction to same the common nominators and denominators. It's only change the fraction after the division. We will make the reciprocals and then directly multiply.